1,500 games, secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
You're watching Block Screening.
Where's my
Paano kayo nakarating dito?
Nagparko kami.
Talaga? Sa dagat?
Oo.
Sa karagatan ng Adriatic?
Bunny.
Saan ko natagpuan si Dracula?
Hey, Bunny!
Ito ang naging tahanan niya 400 taon na nakakaraan. Wala na
Uy!
nakakaalam kung saan siya
Eh, banak ko. Banak. Anak. Anak, ikaw pala, ha? Makulit ka.
Beyond the arc and inside for Johnny Stevens. And then
Bro, nalipit that me.
this is the bench player, Jungwon Park.
Don't
Look at
let
this crafty move, taking the pass and then
Pick up.
throwing it for the layup.
Ay, mama, nasa na siya? Okay.
It really was a double-digit lead for Korea throughout. A lot of steals. Korea ended up with 12 steals on the night, forcing 22 turnovers by UP. But this
Bro,
was the
come
third
on,
quarter.
are you AFK? I'm gonna cry or something.
With
You
the
don't even...
desperation three.
Oh, wag na lang. Oh, bye-bye.
That made it a 12-point game.
Stop it,
And
Gab.
this is when UP started to fight back in the fourth quarter, grabbing hold of the momentum. Korea still relentless with their scoring. Scoring in the paint
Hello,
with Young, the
can
rookie,
I kiss
the
you?
freshman, and then Donnie Stevens the other way. So Donnie Stevens showing the touch inside, around the rim. And so UP started to play a lot of pressure defense on Korea University.
Bessie!
And also this guy, Chico Briones started to heat up. Chico Briones here on the kick out for Yoruga.
Lungkot ko nangyari sa iyong ama at sa iyong kapatid.
Magkikita-kita din kami. Tinitingnan namin yung mga Transylvanians sa pagkamatay sa mas masayang
May
aspeto.
masayang aspekto ng kamatayan.
Oo. Mahirap lang itong makita.
Sensya na, kailangan ko itong gawin.
Van Helsing.
Hmm? Wag na lang. Wag na. Gusto ko na nga.
Van Helsing?
Hmm. I really literally want that! I need to have a buy again. Get away. Get away from me. You're my soda pop. Every time I so Decline. stealer. You get my pet. Ay, mama.
Diyos ko, buhay ka.
Hindi, Ana, hindi ako pwede magtagal. Hayaan mo na, huwag mo sa akin. Alam ko na ang sikreto ni Dracula. Meron siyang libro.
Dalton,
Makiusap.
Train complete. Yay! Okay, happy na siya. Thank you. Okay, happy na siya. Wait. What? 1,000 billion! Oh my gosh. So, see you later, guys.